And imagine he was re-elected. I appreciate your presence, and I also want to thank all years that you have served this company for 20 years, 30 years, and even attend certain occasions. It is the will of God that has made us this time.
The management are discussing, it is also engagement, it is stakeholders engagement. And they have been going on. You know, pension industry is the employer and employee participation and the government. So in most cases they discuss, they always agree. So that every party is happy. And whenever they retire, they will get their money promptly, which has been going on. They celebrate today for their event. It is a wonderful event today because we will be paying them, and they have already been paid. Their money now is in their account. They retired last month, and already we have paid them their respective accounts. A total of 38,850,253 has been credited to individual member account. The highest member has been paid 734,383.